Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here at McEwen Lodge number 525 in McEwen, Tennessee. I'm here for degree work, and it's actually Saturday morning, about 8 a.m. Yeah. Anyway, but we're going to go inside. If you like videos like this, Masonic videos, be sure to check out our playlist, which is, I'm going to post right there, playlist of Masonic buildings from around the country. You'll see videos like this and other videos of Masonic buildings, to include maybe an Order of the Oddfellows also. I got one of those. And also Grand Lodge buildings. But come on with me to this meeting here, and I'm going to give you a tour of the inside of this facility. Because you are now entering the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Well, good news, we are inside. I'm going to close this door to get rid of some background noise. That helps a lot. This is a very small room. It's not real big. Ceiling's kind of low, but it's not a real long room or wide room or anything like that. Down here's the senior warden station here. I like the globes. These are good size. We saw in the last lodge we were in, the globes were like the size of a softball. This is a very celestial globe. Here's good size. Like the woodwork here. Nice. And that's a very stout column there. A lot of them we see are about this tall. It's in real good condition. Faith. I've got Robert E. Lee back there. Terrestrial globe there. That would be a preparation room. Let's see if we see some, looky here. Just like we thought we'd see. Some tools here, some receiving tools. So it's got a display of a camera here. Almost looks like a machine gun, the size of it is. It's kind of cool. Got some pews here on the side. This has got some age on it, In Search of More Light. I like that. Nice big tapestry there. We've seen this in a lot of other lodges. The customary picture of George Washington with the rounded apron here in the setting mall. Oh, I like that. Woodwork. Nice. And Secretary Treasurer's desk. And this is pretty rare. We don't see this a lot. We don't see a lot of the framing around the master's station. Have seen it in several lodges, but definitely uncommon. You see this one here matches the senior warden's station also. I like that. Looks like he's gonna wear that hat we saw it pretty customary in the state of Tennessee. He may be wearing that hat today. He's got some tools up here. We're about ready to do some degree work, so he's going to have those tools handy, not only through the explanations. There's a nice Masonic picture there. And there's their charter. I don't see a date. 896. So 1896. Is when that one was. And there's a painting of George Washington. And the junior warden station, of course, they got just two stewards that are going to sit up here for the junior warden station. And then here we've got the altar here. You can see the placement of the lesser lights. These are a little shorter than the last ones we saw. It looks like they're individually, well, they're plugged in. And normally when you see anything like this around the sides, normally there's an Eastern Star chapter here, which is why they have the extra ones. Looks like we've got a kneeling pad. Pad goes all the way around. And a nice Masonic Bible here. Let's see if it's a Masonic Bible. It might not be. Yes, it is. This is oh yes. There we go. George Washington. Definitely got a lot of Masonic Biblical Index for Freemasonry, all through the Bible. Oh, there's a lot of pages in this one. King Solomon's Temple. Huh. Nice Bible. Nice Bible, really like it.
I don't know if you're familiar with it. It used to be
I really like where the master sits up here also. So if you're ever in McEwen, Tennessee, be sure to come visit these brothers at McEwen Lodge number 525. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Actually, I had a really good breakfast today, so I actually haven't had a bite of it just yet, but about to. But looking forward to meeting with these brothers and watching some degree work. So if you like this video, be sure to check out our other ones. As I mentioned before, the playlist of Masonic buildings from around the country. Because you are now leaving the coolest life, Masonic edition.